Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you all about these awesome wipes that I have here. So I was a tried and true fan of certain wipes that were very expensive, and so I wanted to try like a cheaper brand just to try and save our family some money. And I'm really happy with these. They actually work really, really well. They are sensitive baby wipes. Each pack has 80 wipes in it. So you get a good amount, and they smell really, really nice. They're durable. This is what it looks like here. So they're pretty strong. They're a good amount of moisture as well, and I really appreciate how well they wipe my kid's butt. That's what you use it for. These are great. They get my mom's stamp of approval, and I think you should try them out, and hopefully they'll work for you too. But that's just my point of view.